If you're getting Epic Games error code E10, that usually means your purchase is being blocked because of a country or region restriction on the game or digital item you're trying to buy. In this video, I'll show you the fix step by step so you can check your account details, match your billing location properly, and try the purchase again the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, open a web browser and go to the official Epic Games account portal. Make sure you're on the official Epic Games website and not a third-party page, because you'll be changing account settings and you want to do that safely. Once you're signed in, look at the sidebar menu inside your account settings. Scroll down until you find the company or personal details section. This is where Epic stores the country or region associated with your account. Carefully check the country or region that is currently listed there. If you've recently moved, or if you're trying to use an international card, this information needs to match your actual physical billing location before you try to complete the checkout again. If the details are wrong, update them so they reflect the correct country or region tied to your payment method and location. Once you've confirmed or updated that information, save the changes if needed. After that, close every active web browser tab that contains Epic Games links. This is important because you want to make sure there are no old sessions or cached checkout pages interfering with the next step. Now launch the desktop version of the Epic Games Launcher app on your computer. Don't use the browser this time. Open the native launcher so you can complete the checkout sequence directly inside the app. When the launcher opens, make sure your profile avatar clearly shows that you're signed in. If you're not signed in, log into the correct Epic Games account first, because the region settings and purchase flow need to match the account you're actually using. Then go to the Store tab directly inside the launcher. From there, try your purchase again through the desktop app instead of the browser. In many cases, moving from the browser to the launcher and making sure your region and billing details are aligned is enough to resolve error code E10. If the error still appears, double-check that your account region, payment method, and physical billing location all match as closely as possible, since Epic may block transactions that appear inconsistent. So to recap, the fix is to verify your Epic Games country or region in your account portal. Make sure it matches your billing location, close all browser tabs, reopen the Epic Games launcher, confirm you're signed in, and complete the checkout from the Store tab. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Epic Games troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.